Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is OMAS-FX. Okay, so I'm on the pair GBPNZD and I'll be doing a quick breakdown analysis on this pair. Okay, so now excuse me, what do we see on GBPNZD? This is a daily time frame, and the daily time frame is a very good time frame for intraday traders. Okay, traders who want to get into the markets, get some pips, and they are out. Okay, so and also for scalpers. Okay, so now what do we see on the daily time frame? Okay, um on the daily time frame presently, we're not really having a very good trend. Okay, now what we had was price tapped into this demand zone, as you can see, and pushed to the upside. Okay, after pushing to the upside, now price is now got to this supply zone, or we can call it resistance zone. Okay, on the daily time frame. Now there's something significant about this particular point where price is. Okay, because um price first got to that zone. Okay, you can see the weak rejection to show that there's a lot of bearish pressure, or there are a lot of sellers on this resistance here, or on the supply zone. You saw the second tap, this tap, weak rejection, and a push to the downside. Now the recent price action, now you can see on the daily time frame, price gave us a pin bar candle. Okay, so which is this particular candle right here, as we see. Okay, that's a pin bar, and what does it tells us? It tells us that there's a lot of selling pressure. Okay, we can see how the price was pushed very strongly from that high up to this area. Okay, until price closed down here. Okay, so with just this bearish interpretation of this pin bar, okay, it shows one bearish pressure. It shows there's a lot of sellers on this particular resistance zone right here. Okay, so now after that, we saw another bearish candle again, which is the next candle to this first pin bar candle. Okay, which also has had long wick. Okay, at the upside, pushing to the downside, and what happened? The price closed bearish. So now we we can see now that the price is in a very sensitive position on the chart right now, on the higher time frame. So with that knowledge, now going into the lower time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? Now, as you can see, it's a very clear movement of price right now. Um we had a liquidity sweep, okay, of that high. Okay, as you can see right here, sorry about that. Okay, so what happened? We had this high, we had this higher low, and what did we have? A liquidation of this high by this bearish engulfing candle. So we can also call it a break of structure, okay, because it broke the structure to the upside and tapped into the strong resistance or strong supply zone. So what do we have now? We have the break of structure to the upside, and also a break of structure to the downside. Now, if you're a smart money concept trader, you will quickly know that a break of structure to the upside and a break of structure to the downside. Um, the first one would be a break of structure, okay, which is this break right here. But the second one right here is called a change of character, meaning price does not want to go any more higher, okay, it wants to reverse, okay, to the opposite direction. So that is what we're having right now. And as you can see, on the 1 hour time frame, there's what we notice here is you can see this big bullish move, okay, with a lot of imbalance, okay, it's a lot of imbalance. This kind of candles may be due to news events, okay, that's when we normally have this kind of candles. So now we have a push, okay, of price breaking the highs and breaking the lows. So what is expected of price? Okay, price will definitely come back to look for a very good zone where it can reverse from, okay, or where it can sell from. Now there's a very good zone right there, okay, a very good supply zone. If we go back to the 4 hour time frame, what do we see? We had a very good bearish engulfing candle pushing to the downside, okay, pushed price to the downside, broke structure. So now price will definitely do something like this. After all this move, it will come back to the zone right there, okay, then get make some break of structure on the lower time frame, okay, break of structure on the lower time frame like that, leaving another supply zone on the smaller time frame before the final push to the downside. Okay, so what am I saying in essence is this: we can see price has broken the structure to the upside, then did a change of character to the downside. So price we always you know go back to the point of origin, okay, which is this supply zone right here, which confirmation was there, as a bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so now if I go to the 30 minutes time frame, you can see the zone, the supply zone very clearly. This supply zone will be a very good zone where our price will come back to retest, and after the confirmation from the smaller time frame, okay, on this particular zone, from there price is expected to come down, push down through this imbalance, okay, because the imbalance will definitely needs to be filled, okay. So this is what is expected of GBPNZD, okay. As you can see, a very good demand zone which price is expected to tap, okay, after the sell um, from that supply zone, okay. So I hope this analysis was worth it, okay. I hope all the necessary information passed, okay, on this video, you are able to grab them, okay. So this is what is expected from next week on the 5th, which is on Monday of March 2024. Okay, so this is a new analysis video. So make sure you like, subscribe, share the video. Okay, and any information or anything that is not understood, you can ask or drop your comments on the comment section. Okay, love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.